Hi.
Welcome, my name is Dennis, I'm the engineer of the OPTIWIN group and I want to invite you to listen to my video for fitting and installation, implementing the window product of OPTIWIN into a building. This should show the minimum requirements for fitting and installation. Before I start, I want to give the note that please look at local and regional norms and efforts. So this is just an overview, a rough overview about options you can implement these OPTIWIN products into a building. Okay, so first maybe we discuss about the materials. I have some angles, metal strips, special window screws, different kind of, we call them in Germany Dübel. There are different types available in metal and polyvinyl or whatever. So this is required by the building, and the inspector and the building engineer has to plan for this. I get always questions about how to fit, where to fit, why should they use tapes or whatever. Here we have a little option. This is a membrane. This is an air membrane that is not breathable. It comes on the inside layer. This is with an aluminium on the side. This keeps the moisture air away from the window construction. And this is a wind and water resistant tape that protects the window construction against rain and wind. This comes on the outside. Then we have here, just as an example, a kind of butyl tape. You can combine it for the bottom part with the sill that I don't show here. This is another video you can see. Also we have options here with the windows and doors with special GRP thresholds. We have different types and options. We have to discuss this maybe per mail with a drawing, but normally your local engineer has to plan with this, and they can contact the local OPTIWIN producer or dealer to help with the detail. This is just to give an overview. Okay, maybe we start. We have here a window. This is a full window. This is an alu 2-wood window. We can look here in the construction. We see here the hardware, the hinges, top part, bottom part. I can show how to adjust if this is fitted. This window has to be implemented into the wall, and the question is how to implement. We can do some strips here, make this before and screw into the wall. This is also possible. Then we can go with angles on the other side. That you put this here, then you can screw it into the wall, but always beware of putting it into the insulation. You have to look where you screw. The best area is here. I can show, I take off these gaskets. This is what I do often, but nobody sees the screw. This is a special 6.5 millimeters window screw. They make a drill, a hole, and screw it here. And then this screw gets into the wall and gives like an angle. And then when the wind pressure and everything is here, it holds completely in line. There's no moving for the statics of the glass or wind or load or pressure or whatever. And then after this you can close the gap again, and nobody sees the screws. This is a very high level and good performing fitting situation when the wall is okay. You can use it for wooden construction or whatever. Otherwise you have to prepare the walls for this. This is not even for the alu 2-wood system that I showed here. We have different options for the windows. You see here is the new system of OPTIWIN. This is a lignuma system. We see here the two layers of wood. On the outside we have it's a larch, and here we have spruce or fir. And then this area here, you can screw in this area. You drill a hole and make it with the screw. Otherwise you can also maybe use the strips or the angles. In this way you plaster over it maybe you need a longer angle. It looks like this. You can put it against the wall and screw into the wall, then it's also fixed. But always be careful, you have to do three parts. You have to do the static, you have to do the membrane on the inside to protect the construction against moisture that wants to come through. This is also called the air tightness. You do it with a blower test, you test this with a blower test. Here you see the OPTIWIN system of OPTIWIN. You screw it here in this direction, or the same with the screws and the straps. Then you have also the option of the 2-wood system. This is the difference to other 2-wood. You have here not these two layers in aluminium, you have this in wood. And also for a retrofit option of the other 2-wood with a wider aluminium that goes around, you can use this with these screws or the strips. I don't have a sample here for Puristar and Resistar. This is similar because the internal layer is the same as the lignuma here. So I show this for all the three systems, for the new OPTIWIN systems. And please talk to your local builder and to your engineer, and he will provide you with installation information. And if you need more, you can contact OPTIWIN direct. Also, I have here some adjustment pieces. Maybe I showed this also. To rise this up, you put this little tool here in, and when you turn it, this rises the window in this direction. Then you also can use this here and put the window on the bottom part to the right or to the left. And the most efficient way to adjust the window is here. Maybe I open it more. You see here, it's very hard to see, but when you open it, this is a scissor for tilting. And here you can also put this tool in. It fits. And then you can just lift this. And this get the frame nearer here, so this lifts on the handle side. This is the most efficient way to adjust the window. You see here I just get this gap smaller, so you lift the window. So these are the three types. And also you can rise the pressure in the gaskets. You see here when you turn these knobs, this is a mushroom knob, this is against burgling. You can just turn it, it's uncircular, so you get more pressure into the gaskets. For more questions and information, you can contact us or please visit the website www.optiwin.net. And thanks for listening. We see us.